Hi there, it's Sam from Pootlers.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and it's on a Saturday and there's a big old pile of paper on my desk, and there is a very good reason for that, because we are doing a Team Pootles video hop. We haven't done video hops for a long time. Big shout out to Hannah McCurley, Stampin by Hannah, who has coordinated our video hop, and we are focusing on paper. So I've got paper on my desk, but I'm going to explain to you how it works. So you will, after you've watched this video, click open the description bar below and you will see a link on there that you can click and go to the next person who's doing a video, and she will be doing a tutorial. And then when you've watched hers, you open her description bar, click in the link and go on, and you will go all the way around in a loop and end up back with me. Or if you've started with somebody else, you will be passing me on the way. But once, wherever you've started in the hop, you will keep clicking until you come back to that first person that you saw. I will also have on my blog as well, and again, click open the description bar, I will have direct links to everybody who's taking part in the hop. Okay, so we are focusing on paper because we have the very special buy 3 get 1 free offer on at the moment through until the end of July. It's not everything in the catalogue, but I wanted to show you what is in the catalogue. Now, I'm not doing a tutorial for you. I'm using this as an opportunity for you to go and see all the amazing people who are in my team who do videos, because I'm not the only one out of my team who does videos. There's lots and lots and lots and lots of ladies in my team, and I'm trying to get the gentlemen to do videos too. So you will go and see theirs, and I'd like you to see them. I'd like you to subscribe to them, support them, and look at what they're doing as well. So instead, I'm going to show you the papers in detail, and I have got them all here on my desk ready. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scooch them out of the way and bring them back individually. And I'm going to show you the catalogue first. If you haven't got your copy of the catalogue, or you would like a copy and you haven't got one, let me know. It's beautiful. It's got a rainbow on the front. Gotta love a rainbow. So I have them in all 3 languages of English, French and German, and I can send them to our 5 European countries, the UK, the Netherlands, Austria, France and Germany. So just send me an email, sam@pootlers.co.uk, and say, I'd like a catalogue for free, please, and I will send you one for free. Okay, so we have got a couple of pages, well, 4 pages of designer series paper. Not everything that's on here is part of the buy 3 get 1 free, so the speciality papers aren't included. This one's a speciality paper, so is that one and that one and that one. Those 4 aren't included in it. Those 3 are, and I will show you in detail. All of those 4 are, and those 3 are. So the patterned background paper isn't included. Let me show you in detail. So we have wood textures. Now, we never carry over our designer series papers from one catalogue to the next. It just never happens. It's happened once in my time as a demonstrator, and I've been here 5 years, but this one is clearly so popular they've carried it over. So let's have a flick of that. It's lovely. It does what it says on the tin. It's wood textures. I've done projects with this in the past that when I've done them, people have gone, oh, I didn't notice that paper. It's amazing. And it is. And it literally is wood textures. And it's one of those gorgeous photographic papers. Love it. Okay, which one's next? I'm going to have to get the names because I don't want to get the names wrong. So the next one is Under the Mistletoe. So you'll have to forgive the fact that I've chopped bits, but, you know, I love it. So this is our festive one, Under the Mistletoe, part of the Under the Mistletoe suite. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There is another pattern around. Oh, there it is. So those are some of the sides. So you've got quite the busy and quite the traditional Christmas theme, and obviously we've got reindeer here. But we've got the tartan as well. That doesn't have to be festive, doesn't have to be Christmassy. Oh, look, there's another one like that. And that is... ooh, that's a nice spot, because that spot could go with that spot. But lovely. Again, Christmassy, but not totally traditional. Right, I'm going to have to move my fan out of the way. I have a desk fan. I love my desk fan. Can you just see it there? USB, plugs into a USB, like you charge your phone, 6 inches. Can't have it on in the video though. It might be a bit noisy. The next one is Twinkle Twinkle. I really like this one, apart from the fact that my 7-year-old son Oliver has got a duvet in a very similar pattern to this one. Again, I mean, it's pitched at small children, babies and the like, but it doesn't have to be. Just lovely. You know what, if I go that way it might be easier. So pretty. And this is part of a suite that's got a matching stamp set and a punch with it, which is the... Is it called Twinkle Punch? I think it is, you know. Love that. Oh, that's so cool. I'd have wallpaper in that, wouldn't you? Got spots, we've got teeny tiny little stars, stitched stripes, more spots. That's really cute. It's all lovely. And we had irregular stars back somewhere. Irregular stars there, but those are in very straight lines. Can you see that they're stars? I hope so. Okay. Right, so let's scooch those out of the way. I'm going to have fun putting this lot on back, aren't I? Don't put it down, put it away, she says, dumping it all over the desk. Tropical Escape. Well, I know you'd have seen this yesterday because I use this in my customer thank you gifts. But it's everywhere I go at the moment. I'm seeing these big tropical leaves everywhere. My husband and I went into Peterborough City, a couple of weeks ago. Well, a couple of weeks ago now. And it was just every shop I went into had this sort of pattern everywhere. Well, particularly the big leaves everywhere. It's on cushions. John Lewis had a massive display of it. Great big cushions and curtains and clothing, all sorts. This, again, is part of a suite, and I used the entire suite on the thank you gifts that I sent out. And you, like I say, you'd have seen them on video yesterday. Oh, I've got a kitten making her way up onto the desk. Just gorgeous. And loads of paper. How many sheets is this one? So this is like the wood textures. I'm just having a look. 48 sheets. Oh, hello, Sorrel. 48 sheets. Gorgeous. Which one's next? Tranquil Textures. So this one is part of a suite that's all about sort of seascapes and things. Sorrel, please don't take down my black blinds. I've got sun streaking through again, so I've got black up at the window. Look, you see a bit there. And she's looking like she wants to play with them. So I'm not, despite the fact that I lived by the sea for many years, I'm not a mad fan of making sea-type stuff. But I really like this pack because of the non-seascape type patterns. Oh, look. Oh, I've used a lot of that one, haven't I? Because that's the only bit I've got left. Oh, here she comes. I'm just going to walk around my paper. That's good, at least she's not playing with it. But really, really nice. Great for masculine stuff. Okay, she jumped down. Gorgeous. Right, Peple Promenade. Love this so much. I just can't stop using it. I really like it. I love it that it's photographic. I'm not a floral girl, but I just think it's divine. So hopefully I've got this set out so that you can see all of the background shapes as well as the front. I'm into pack 3, I think. Look, I've got all my little bits. So you're going to see repeated patterns. The photographing on this is amazing. If you haven't seen the video that Stampin' Up has made on how they created this, go and check it out on their page. You can see these are not my most popular, but I like them actually because you can cut this one down so you can have a border, or you can have, you know, pre-made card blanks there and there. And there's another one that does that one as well here, so you can cut out all of those individual ones and the borders as well, and so you can use the other side. I have to confess my favourites are the big sheets, but it's all good. Love them all. But yeah, I've used so many. I'm into, oh goodness knows which pack. Okay, what's this one called? Is it Nature's Poem or Nature's? It is Nature's Poem. So I haven't got very much of this one left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see I haven't even got all of the sheets to show you. I've used it that much. Just lovely. I love these leaves. Which is the one that I'm missing? I'm trying to work it out which one I'm missing. I have that one and the reverse. Ah, I know the one. So the one I'm missing is this one here, which is soft suede. Just lovely though. It's really lovely. It's been so popular, and you can understand why. Garden impressions. Ha, love this. Look at this. I've been through numerous packs of this. So many patterns that are just gorgeous. And the colours. Just, oh no, I've got to flip that one twice. So many colours and patterns. Almost too many to choose from. But just something for everyone. And all sorts of different patterns. And I did a card with this. I did one of my layered cards. And somebody said that she loved it so much because each pattern seemed to blend into the next. Look at this, you see? Love it. Love, love, love. And now I have Berry in here. They've heard me speaking, so they're coming. They were all asleep before. Next one is Best Route, and we've got one more after that. So this is kind of exploration. I think this would be particularly good for scrapbooking. I want to say, yeah, it's 12 patterns, 6 of each. So great for scrapbooking. There's a jet going overhead. I should say, I have to speak up a little bit, all of the papers have got, they're all from Sweet, so they've got matching stamps, embellishments and things like that. I kind of forgot to carry on saying that. I love the embellishments that go with this set, particularly good, but nice, but there are good background ones in there. And then the last one that are from the buy 3 get 1 free is the Animal Expedition, which is just so cute. I think I've got it so that I can show you all 12. So we've got the background sort of shapes and patterns. And then we've got the crocodile. It's now that jet is shaking everything on my windowsill. Frogs on leaves. I like this one because we've got the bird. When I did a video unboxing all my stuff, and it's a book called The Very Selfish, or The Selfish Crocodile, just like this. The frogs are cute. We've got animals here. We've got sloths, giraffes, kangaroos with a koala. I think it's to show that everybody can be friends. The rhino, the chameleon, the bird, the frog, all sorts on there. And then this one is similar, but it's actually a smaller version of it, but it's not exactly the same because we've got a hippo in this one, which I don't think we've got in this one. So similar but smaller. Love this one because it's a lovely repeating pattern. That's one of those as well. And then the hippos with the butterflies. So cute. So cute. Love them all. I am stocking up because, you know, buy 3 get 1 free. I want free. I like the free. But like I say, go and click open the description bar below. You'll see the next person to hop onto. If you're looking at this at 7 o'clock in the morning as it's gone live, if you are doing the hop and there is a break somewhere, don't panic, come back to it, because obviously there's technical errors and there's a lot of us who are doing this, so inevitably something happens. I just hope it's not me. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.